Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azleen Binti with metric number AE180012. So I'm going to talk about the introduction. We can say that energy efficiency is a technique for lowering energy consumption by utilizing less energy to generate the same quantity of useful product. The benefits of the energy efficient homes can save money on electricity while simultaneously protecting the environment by lowering the greenhouse gas emission. The project is focusing on making a house plan to implement a renewable energy system, which is solar system. The system consists of a PV panel that convert the visible radiation into electricity by exciting the electrons in silicon cells using the photon of light from the sun. So, for the summary of issue, the first picture is our construction area at Jalan Sri Impian 6/15, Taman Seri Impian 86000 Keluang Johor. The second picture is also our construction area, which we can see from above. We take it from the satellite. Our construction area is located 77.7 kilometer far from our main building, which is in Senai. The whole journey, it will take 54 minutes by car from our main building of our company to the construction area.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Kamarudin. My metric number is AE180068, and now I'm going to present the filler table and methodology parts. Here is our filler table for our group. So we have three main facts for our filler table, which the first one is the renewable energy is an energy that is not depleted when used. So the second one is the renewable energy help to improve the environment. And the third one is the renewable energy help to save cost. Next, we go to the methodology part. So for the methodology, this is our methodology chart. So first, of course, we start the project. Then we find several location and choose a suitable location for our house development. For then we go to the next step, which come out with idea for the floor plan. Then next step, we go to the list down all the electrical component needed for installation. Then move to the next step, which we calculate the power rating for each electrical component. Then we see if our calculation show that is it implement the energy efficiency or not. So if not, we need to repeat this step again. If it's implement energy efficiency, we can continue for the next step. We have to draw a floor plan and also electrical plan using AutoCAD. And the next step is we draw a single line diagram using AutoCAD also. Then we complete the full report, and that's then the end. So that's all from me for field table and methodology part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and have a good day everyone. My name is Mohamad Azzam Shaidi. My metric number is AE180037. Okay, I will explain the floor plan of our group project. Okay, a house plan is a simply an architecture description of the house layout. So based on consultation session with the client, our company came up with the floor plan of the bungalow house that fulfill the requirement of the client by using AutoCAD software. So as shown here, there are 3 bedrooms altogether, and then there are 2 toilet, which is one located at master bedroom and the other one is in between bedroom 2 and the kitchen. Okay, the middle of the house divided into 2 part, which is the living room and the dining room. So there are also porch, storage room and the laundry room. So our house plan implemented the PV grid connection system. So we can minimize the power consumption of the electricity that can lead the saving cost. So this is the house electrical plan that is completed with the wiring connection. Okay, for next part, I will explain the single line diagram of the bungalow house design. So one line diagram can be represent entire building system. So it gives a more visualized outcome of how this electrical appliance will be designed by the electrical engineer. So every every loop we rearrange under lighting point, and for the load source that require such a high power will arrange under power point. This is the power point. Okay, this load will be protected by using the specific type of the protection component such as MCB. There are MCB, RCCB, and the fuse. Okay. So for each lighting point and power point require a specific size of the fuse for protection. So generally the larger load, the higher value of the fuse needed to for the point. 2 point of water heater, this one and this one, require 1 MCB for each due to its large power consumption. The size of the MCB used for both water heater are 10 milliampere. So the wiring cable vary for each point, which is 60 millimeter square wiring cable were used from fuse and neutral connection, truth meter, and main switch until RCCB. Okay, for lighting point, this is the lighting point. 1.5 millimeter square wiring cable were used for low power consumption, and for the high power consumption such as water heater and air conditioner were used 4 millimeter square of wiring cable. So 1 point will be used as spare for more electrical appliance installed in the future. Okay, for the PowerPoint, 2.5 millimeter square wiring cable were used for each point. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Zakaria, number matrix AE180069, and today I will present about the load calculation table and the electricity bill. So this is our group load calculation table, which contains 16 different load with different power wattage. So for the total maximum demand, it is 8554.2 watt. The coincident factor, it is 0.9. The maximum demand, it is 7698.78 watt. And the maximum current, it is 39.38 amp. So for the total electrical energy used per month, we refer to the time used per day. So for the total watt per day, it is 41.72 kilowatt hour. For total watt per month, it is 1251.6 kilowatt hour. So for the current electricity bill, it is 596.36 ringgit Malaysia, and the solar system size we use 7 kilowatt peak. Basically, it is around 20 panel solar, and each panel solar will produce around 350 watt. So for the installment term, it is around 36 months. For the new electricity bill, it is around 188 ringgit point 36 cent, and for the monthly saving, it is up to 408 ringgit Malaysia, and for the saving, it worth to 68% per month. So for the estimation cost for the installment of solar panel, it is around 35,756 ringgit Malaysia, and the easy payment installment is around 900 ringgit, and the net investment, it is 585 ringgit Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So for the conclusion, we can say that our company, which is Domus Structura Sendirian Berhad, plan, develop and build an energy efficient building for the power system at Taman Seri Impian, Keluang, Johor. The energy consumption was reduced by 68% in this project by using energy saving electrical equipment. That's all. Thank you.